Hey guys, it's Austin here with Dream and Rotary. I kind of came across this footage that's really old that I found hilarious, figured it'd be kind of funny to share. Just kind of goes to show that no matter how much experience you think you have, you can screw up, and this is a pretty funny screw up that didn't affect anything in the end. What it is footage of me trying to pull an RX-8 front cover bolt off of the E-shaft. So on a rotary motor, you have the rear nut that is securing the flywheel onto the E-shaft, and on the front end you have a 19 millimeter bolt that screws into the front of the E-shaft. It holds the thermal pellet in the front, and then it holds on the front pulleys. And so both of those things are extremely tight. The rear flywheel nut is tighter than the front cover bolt, but in the front end, that bolt isn't really supposed to be all that tight. What I ended up doing was accidentally pulling off the rear end. I pulled off the flywheel, or pulled off the nut, pulled off the flywheel, had pretty much everything disconnected. What I had was the front bolt had to come out in order to get the front pulley off, to get the front cover off, to actually start the disassembling process. And in doing so, I forgot to pull off the front bolt earlier, and because of that, it was very, very stuck on an old RX-8 motor that had been in there for who knows how long, and which is Loctited. And in doing so, I had to pin it against this bench to get it off. And what ensued was pretty hilarious. I actually shot the video to show a buddy that I was not able to get the thing off, and I ended up getting it in the video. So here's this footage. Hope you get a kick out of it. Yeah, I think it's hilarious. That sucked. Man. That was stuck. Probably just about busted my bench there, but whatever. Got it. Finally. If it gets stuck, you can lock a ratchet or an old dowel pin down in the front counterweight there. Thanks to Robert for showing me that, or telling me that, because I don't think I would have been able to get it without that. You can kind of see the front counterweight's locked against the front iron with this ratchet here. Okay, on to the next thing. Pulling the rest of this apart. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that. I thought it was pretty hilarious. Feel free, subscribe to the channel if you think that kind of little stuff is funny. I poke fun at myself all the time with that little junk. Been on here for a couple years, only have about 500 subscribers. I haven't posted much of anything for over a year now due to being in college, but I'd appreciate some more subscribers on here. On Instagram, eBay, Facebook, Craigslist, RX-7 Club, RX-8 Club, all over the place. So all you have to do is search for the username Dream in Rotary and you should find it. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. We will catch you guys later.